In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for Shopify Capital. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best thing to do this is to head on over to admin.shopify.com and sign into your account. Now you're going to see a search bar at the top. So basically click on the search bar and then type in capital. And then click onto the first result, capital. Then from here, inside of it, go ahead and click onto Shopify Capital. Now, basically what it's going to say is Shopify Capital is a finance program that offers merchant cash advance and loans eligible businesses based on the store's location, history, and the use of interaction with the Shopify platform. So eligible businesses based in Australia, Canada, and United Kingdom, United States may apply for Shopify Capital. If you meet the eligible criteria, then you receive an offer to apply for funding. You can also check for offers in the finance page of your Shopify admin before exploring Shopify Capital funding options. Consider familiarizing yourself with the Shopify Capital glossary of terms. But if we come back to here, you're going to see all of your offers. So there are no funding. So I'm getting this. There are no funding offers at the moment. Tell us how much you're interested and we'll notify you in funding offers become available. So basically where it says I'm interested in, just go ahead and select an amount. So if it's under 2 grand, 2 to 10, 10 to 50, etc. And then go ahead and click on notify me. So what's going to happen after this is Shopify automatically evaluates your store eligibility based on things like your sales performance, customer engagement, and even how long your store has been on Shopify and the history of Shopify. Now, you do need to be the store owner to apply and your business structure matters. So, for example, trusted partnerships may not be eligible. Your store country and currency must match the Shopify Capital supported locations, as I said earlier. So yeah, basically when you've done that, just go ahead and wait for a funding offer. So if Shopify determines you're eligible, you will get a notification in your Shopify admin on the finance page, and you will also get an email too. Just because you're eligible doesn't guarantee funding, it's an offer to apply. So keep that in mind.